Hey, unbox with me this beautiful Christian Dior holiday set. It is so beautiful. Look at the packaging. I love it already. Just in time for the holidays. Oh my God, isn't this gorgeous? Because we sparkle on purpose over here. Yes, this is so pretty. It's a cosmetic bag, but I'm going to wear it as a cute little clutch. It is so pretty. I love it. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at the detail. Oh my God, I'm sure this video doesn't do it any justice. So honey, get yours. Yes, it's so pretty. Let's see what's inside.